China allegedly prevented the transfer of Polish MiG-29 fighter jets through secret talks with Washington. Chinese intervention led to the U.S. rejecting a Polish offer to hand over MiG-29 fighters to U.S. air bases. China's true position as it unfolds is difficult to discern. So far, Beijing has only offered diplomatic and informational support to Moscow, as part of accusations the U.S. has frequently blamed for tensions with Russia. In October, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi told his Russian counterpart, Sergei Lavrov, that China will also firmly support the Russian side, under the leadership of President Putin, to unite and lead the Russian people, according to Chinese state media. At the same time, China has refrained from providing significant military assistance, forcing Moscow to turn to Iran for combat drones. Recent reports suggest that Russia may even buy missiles from Iran. In September, on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly, Wang told NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg that China remains an open mind for dialogue and exchanges with NATO and is willing to promote the building of sound and steady bilateral relations together. According to Matthews, who cited sources close to Chinese People's Liberation Army officials, Beijing's top priority is a Russia-NATO confrontation to avoid a nuclear escalation and help achieve a ceasefire. This was witnessed during the recent G20 summit in Bali, where Chinese President Xi Jinping said the world needs to prevent a nuclear crisis on the Eurasian continent in a meeting with his U.S. counterpart Joe Biden, marking a rare example of public agreement between the U.S. and China over Russia. President Xi also publicly appealed to return to diplomacy and emphasized the urgency of finding a peaceful resolution. Writing for Eurasian Times, a U.S.-based defense analyst explained that the fighters offered by Poland were early model MiG-29A and B aircraft with poor reliability and a record of expensive maintenance.